Please like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more video updates.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it's also the closest one to the sun. It's like a hot little world, but it doesn't have any air to breathe. During the day, Mercury gets super duper hot because it's so close to the sun, but at night, it becomes icy cold. It doesn't have any moons, but it loves to race around the sun really fast. If you ever visit Mercury, make sure to wear your super special spacesuit to stay safe from the extreme temperatures.
It's awesome.
Venus is the brightest planet in our night sky, and it's often called the morning star or the evening star. It's like a super hot and steamy place, even hotter than a baking oven. Venus has thick, fluffy clouds that trap the heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. It's a bit tricky to visit Venus because it's covered in clouds, and we can't see the surface easily. Venus loves to spin slowly and takes a long time to complete one turn. Oh, and did you know that Venus is named after the goddess of love and beauty?
Incredible.
Earth is our home, and it's a very special place in the whole wide universe. It's the only planet we know of where there's life, like plants, animals, and humans. Our planet is covered with beautiful oceans, tall mountains, and lush green forests. We have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter, which bring different kinds of weather and make Earth so colorful and fun. When you look up at the night sky, you can see the moon shining bright.
Amazing.
Mars is known as the red planet because it looks like a big reddish-orange ball in the night sky. It's a bit like a desert world with vast plains, tall mountains, and even deep canyons. Scientists think there might have been rivers and lakes on Mars long ago. One of the coolest things about Mars is that it has polar ice caps just like our Earth. People dream of exploring Mars one day, and some robots called rovers are already there, taking pictures and exploring on our behalf.
Fantastic.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and it's like a giant gas ball. It's so huge that you could fit more than 1,000 Earths inside it. Jupiter has colorful stripes all around it, and these stripes are actually huge clouds that go round and round the planet. One of the most amazing things about Jupiter is its big red spot, which is like a giant storm that has been swirling for a very, very long time. Jupiter is like a protector of the solar system.
Outstanding.
Saturn is like a dazzling jewel in the night sky, and it's famous for its beautiful rings that go around and around it. These rings are made up of billions of tiny ice and rock particles, and they make Saturn look extra special. Saturn is a gas giant, just like Jupiter, but it's known for its amazing rings. The planet has lots of moons too, and some of them are even as big as planets themselves. If you could float on Saturn, you would feel super light because it's mostly made of gases.
Phenomenal.
Uranus is like a mysterious, icy blue planet that spins on its side. It's a little different from the other planets because it rolls around the sun like a barrel. Uranus has a funny name too, pronounced Yor-a-nus. It's covered in thick, cold clouds, and it's one of the coldest planets in our solar system. Uranus has some amazing rings like Saturn, but they are not as bright and are mostly made of dark dust. It also has lots of little moons dancing around it.
Marvelous.
Neptune is like a beautiful, deep blue ball in the farthest reaches of our solar system. It's the windiest planet, with strong gusts that can blow everything away. Neptune has a special name that comes from the Roman god of the sea, and it's fitting because it's so blue, just like the oceans on Earth. This planet is covered in thick, icy clouds, and it's the coldest place in our solar system. Neptune loves to twirl around the sun, and it has a family of many moons spinning with it.
Spectacular.
Pluto is a tiny and faraway world, and it used to be the 9th planet in our solar system. But now scientists call it a dwarf planet because it's much smaller than the other planets. Pluto is like a little ice ball covered in frozen ice and rock. It's so far from the sun that it's super duper cold. Pluto has a heart-shaped spot on its surface that makes it look extra special. Even though Pluto is small, it has a big moon named Charon that keeps it company. Pluto loves to dance in its own little corner of space.
Impressive.